guys, so this is me and my brother's favorite squishy videos. So you want to say which one you want to talk about each one? Okay, so we're going to start with least favorite of my brother. Least favorite is this really cool donut. Then we have Belly Button. Then this Donald Duck. There. And honey toast. Now, down to my squishy. Okay, let's start off with least favorite. And then you want to put them in the box, Mason, as I go over it. Put that back. There you go. Okay, so first of all, we have this. And then this bunny. Then this really cool waffle. And this really cool infusions. And then this. And this squishy bun. And then this donut. Then this really cool face. And then this super duper squishy bun. Then this Hello Kitty cake roll, or cake thing. Then this Hello Kitty toast. Then this cat bun. And then this alien from Toy Story. And this strawberry. And then this mirror. And this really cool mushroom costume. Then this butter macaron. Then this total roll. And this stitch croissant. Then this Donald Duck remit. Then this mini Hello Kitty donut. Moving over a little bit. Then we have this burrito donut. Then we have this little rare curly come up. Then we have this Hello Kitty and ice cream. This Hello Kitty and donut. Then I have this rice cake. Then this chopper. Then this mocha squishy. Then this super squishy Cafe Dien macaroon. Then now we're getting into my top 10 squishies. So, this Hello Kitty and a melon. This edamame popping bean, which is my brother's favorite. Cracking chocolate bar. Let's crack it. Hear cracking noises. He's cracking it. Then this Cafe Dien soft serve. Then this Cafe Dien ice cream. Then this Cafe Dien cake roll. Those are my top 4. Then this squishy. It is so squishy. Then this Hello Kitty and a chopper and a Hello Kitty costume. Then the second is my melody bun, which I'm looking to get the rest of these. This Hello Kitty donut. Yeah. So, from me and my brother, thank you guys.